I am Melissa Wise, and I'm going to show you how to color code a Google Sheet using conditional formatting. I have already created a spreadsheet to save us some time. Highlight the cells that you want to conditional format. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and the box will appear to the right of your screen. This is where you will make your changes and your rules for your cells. The first cell, I'm going to choose greater than or equal to and enter in my value. Choose my color. In this area, you can choose whatever color you want your colors to show up as. You can change the bold, italics, whatever format you want for your cell. Then I'm going to choose Add Another Rule. This will copy the rule from the previous one that you just created. I'm going to click for this one, is between, and add two values. And after I add my second value, I'm going to pick my color. I want these to show up as yellow. Add a rule, and I'm going to add my third value, or third formatting for this one, less than or equal to. Add my value and change the color. And now I have three colors that I can see on my spreadsheet. I'm going to click Done. I'm going to highlight that row. I didn't grab the bottom one. There we go. And I'm going to copy. Now I'm going to go to the second column, and I'm going to right click, paste special, and I'm going to do format only. This will paste in my formatting rules. Now I have the colors that I want to use. I can go and change the value of the cell. On these, you'll want to click Done. So for my in between, I don't want that period there. And click Done and go to my third and change that value. And now my second column is formatted. I will do this with those throughout the whole school year. So now I'm going to copy both of those formatting for those, and I'm going to copy and then highlight these four cells and paste special, format only. And now those formats are added into my cells. When I add the data, my cells will highlight in color. And that is how you color code your Google Sheets spreadsheet. My name is Melissa Wise, and I hope that you have learned something from this short tutorial.